I've been listening very carefully to all the members of this august house who have taken out the time to make certain submissions by way of a debate on an important bill, the Benami Transaction Prohibition Amendment Bill 2015. Deputy Speaker, sir, each and every member in this house has supported this bill, and in supporting this bill, the reason they have given for it is that we are all unanimous that black money is one of the greatest menaces in this country. We all have to fight it together, and the Honorable Finance Minister, when he addressed the House before the debate started, said that this bill had been brought earlier by the UPA government, but because it lapsed, it has been reintroduced today in the Rajya Sabha and today in the Lok Sabha. Today, the question arises that why are we supporting this bill? The earlier 1988 Act had a blanket prohibition that this is a Benami transaction defined here under, and this cannot be allowed, this is banned. But there was no detailed legislation. We did not know who's going to investigate, who is going to go after a Benami transaction. Most of the cases that have developed in the past, whether by way of the Supreme Court or various High Court orders, are always two individuals accusing each other. So I appreciate the movement of the government where now we have proper authorities, proper investigating officers in terms of the initiating officer, the approving authority, an administrator and an adjudicating authority. But few issues that I feel have created some confusion in my mind is that in section 53(1), where it says that any person who is in violation of the provisions of this law shall be prosecuted with rigorous punishment, etc. Now, when you say any person, the question that arises that who do we put the mens rea on? Are we talking about the person who's transferred the property but indirectly for his benefit, or are we talking about the person in whose name this property has been parked? That is not clear. I hope Honorable Finance Minister would elaborate on that. Secondly, and more significantly, that where this government has consistently talked about cooperative federalism, I somehow do not understand why, once a property is confiscated, why should it vest in the central government and not in the respective state government where those properties are today situated. Apart from that, we welcome this bill. I hope that it goes in creating an atmosphere, a legislative atmosphere in this country where not just creation of black money, but transacting in black money, parking in black money, all of that is seen as a liability and not a windfall profit. Thank you, Deputy Speaker, sir.
जिन्होंने देश के बंटवारे को मजहब के नाम पर कबूल किया वो सेक्युलर हैं, जिन्होंने उस वक्त मुखालफत की वो कम्युनल हैं।